Here we are at the entrance of this trail. The first bit isn't too bad. It's a bit stony bit and it gets a bit muddy and rutty. And it kind of clears out with some puddles, and then after that it takes...
Sorry.
Sorry. You ready?
Outtakes at the end now.
After that it kind of clears out a bit with some puddles, and then it takes like, well, there's two options. You can either go to the left or straight onto a massive pond, or like, it's kind of a pond, and you never get through that. So you're going to have to turn left, and then it goes into some really overgrown stuff, which I think is still overgrown. We haven't been there in a while, have we? But I went through there in another video. I'll put a link in the description for that. So we'll see how different it is now. I'm hoping it's not too hard, but we'll see. So we'll go for it now. Ready? I know it is roughy as you expected. It's not really muddy though. I think it's so cold it's all falls on. Oh my god, good thing I got goggles on. Very bumpy and rutty as I expected. Oh. Trees. Oh. Right, running a little thrust on this trail. There's all the trees. And it gets a lot worse than this, I know, for sure. Further on. Oh. Oh, that is too good. Oh. Oh my god, that is too good. That tree did. Oh. Here we are. Oh. Now this is where the fun begins. Oh my god. Right. I think this has officially lost its name as a trail. I think this is just, I don't know what it is. You don't know, call it a trail anymore. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. It's just to be in a fish all the time. Oh. trees. Oh God.
How was that?